How to handle child support and custody in Lancaster. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. If you're going through a divorce in Lancaster and have children, two of the most important issues you'll need to address are child custody and child support. In California, custody is divided into two parts: legal custody, which is about making important decisions for your child, and physical custody, which is about where your child lives. Courts encourage parents to work out a parenting plan together because agreements usually work better than orders imposed by a judge. Child support, on the other hand, is calculated using state guidelines based on each parent's income, time with the child, and certain expenses like health insurance. For example, we recently helped a Lancaster couple who shared custody 50-50. Since their incomes were similar, the guideline calculation showed little to no child support was needed. By documenting everything clearly and filing it with the court, they avoided conflict and finalized their divorce smoothly. At divorce661.com, we help parents create custody agreements and ensure child support is calculated correctly using the court's required software. We prepare all the necessary documents and make sure everything is filed properly so you can avoid delays and disagreements. If you're ready to handle child custody and support in a fair, stress-free way, visit divorce661.com and schedule your free consultation today.